what you need to do is remove this thing all around, and to remove it, yeah, you can find a way to pull from underneath or something, or put something metal sharp in here and pull it out. But if you are like me and work a lot on your car, get something like this. I will put a link in the description to one of these kits, a really cheap variant, but it's extremely helpful, honestly. I never know if I use the right tool for the job, because I simply try it. If it works, it's the right tool. If it doesn't, it's not. And for the moment, it actually wasn't the right tool. Let's see, something a tiny bit sharper, and this is the right tool. And what I like to do, get a second one a bit higher up and pull with both of them, so I distribute the force a little bit. But it's really hard to do this with one hand. I don't want to crack anything, so yeah, let's continue. I slowly went all around this thing. I think we still have the top part that has a few clips, and it's removed, and slowly get it out of here without scratching anything, because that's the last thing that you want to do, have some weird scratch in the middle of your dashboard. And now, as you can see, for this thing we have two screws on the sides. We want to get it out of here to create some free space, and then we will see how we can work in this button area. Also two more screws in here, so those might need taking out. And yes, there are 4 screws actually for the climate unit. We are using a Torx T20. Also, one of these things is really handy. I will put a link to a cheap one of these. So yeah, let's get the screws out and this thing out of the way now. Okay, so to get this thing out, you need to rotate it, which is easier said than done, because it catches up in stuff around here. And as you can see, all of these buttons have these red safeties on them. You need to pull them out. Quite hard to do with one hand on this one, it seems. Yeah, impossible to do on that one. And then you pinch this thing, something like that, and wiggle it around, and it starts to come out. And again, impossible to do with one hand, but you can obviously see it's coming out. So be back when I get them out. And as you can see, these things are out. They are keyed, so it's impossible to plug them in the wrong order. This is the part number in case you need it. And yeah, that's about it for the moment. Then we will plug everything back in and close everything back up. Okay, so to put this thing back together, obviously just plug in the connectors. Impossible to get it wrong. And yeah, I cannot do it with one hand, also having this light, and yeah. After the connectors are in, don't forget to lock them, like that. Now you need to put the 4 Torx T20 screws back in. Do not try to tighten this until it doesn't move anymore. It's designed to move, so it interlocks correctly with the cover that we will put now in place. And for the cover, you simply start pushing it in place, and it should clip all around. But you need to find the clips, obviously, which I'm not doing a really good job at the moment. Yep. And there's that. It's finished. And we are on. Everything is working. So it's perfect. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully this video helps you. In which case, please give it a like. Check out my other videos. and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.